Hello everybody. I want to talk to you about British Columbia. I just finished British Columbia. Right now I'm in Yukon in a little town called Teslin. I'm in a campground and let me tell you about British Columbia. It is as green as possible. And the major feature that I personally liked was Salmon Glacier, and it has a pretty unusual, let's say, way to get there, because you go through a town called Stewart, which is really on the edge of the Pacific coast, and in order to go to the glacier, you have to go into United States and then re-enter back into Canada. But the customs, it's really very easy. And this Salmon Glacier, if you want to see some pictures of it, it's on my Instagram channel, and I would recommend it to you. Then another good feature, I wanted to visit the ex-Queen Charlotte Islands, because they have a lot of native arts and with totems, things like that. Unfortunately, the ferry was not available for the dates that I wanted, and so I had to give it up. But I found a kind of a little alternative, which is Kitwanga, which is a small village where there are a whole series of totems by native people, and they are very interesting, and they are like over 10 meters tall, and all carved in wood. And also that you can find some pictures on my Instagram channel. And the rest is British Columbia is at the beginning close to, let's say, Vancouver. There are more mountains, and then it becomes more hilly, and when you get to Smithers, you see mountains again, but altogether is pretty well serviced. Now that I'm in Yukon, of course, services are a bit more spare and far between, and but I'll tell you more about Yukon perhaps in a few days when I finish to cross it, and because after Yukon I will enter Alaska. So all the best to everybody, and see you next.